Hello, friends. I am Diane Bader, and I am here for my newsletter readers with a unique opportunity and news to tell you about the 5-day open house that Faster Way is starting or offering to you starting Monday, September 18th. You guys have a unique opportunity to look inside our program for 5 days. This is the perfect time for you to look into our program and find out what the Faster Way lifestyle is all about. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish in 5 days. Yes, 5 days. I can't tell you how many women will join on a Monday of a sneak peek, and by Thursday, they're doing the, oh my gosh, I can't believe, fill in the blank, how much better I'm sleeping, how much energy I have in the afternoon. And it just comes from being introduced and having access to a simple and delicious meal plan, quick and effective workouts for all levels. You can try the harder version or the modified version, or you can just watch them. Everything from HIIT to strength to stretching to core workouts. There will also be bonus trainings for you guys to find out a little bit more about how to lose belly fat, how to become stronger as you age, how to have energy in the afternoon, and how to thrive through this time in your life. And all of this access is going to be given to you through our app. You'll have such a great feel for what our company is all about when you see what the app has to offer you. But you'll also have access to an accountability group, a private accountability group. And I'm going to be in there with you, coaching you along the way so you can have the best experience possible when you're looking at us for these 5 days. I'm going to be your guide. I'm going to be your coach. I'm going to be your accountability partner, and I'm going to be your encourager. I started with a 5-day program 4 years ago, and I was incredibly impressed by everything that I learned in that short amount of time. You will have access to these 5 days for just $19.97. But don't stop there. You are going to be able to move on, if you so choose to do, to a 6-week program and use that cost of the 5 days and apply it to the 6-week program. So you'll get a $20 off savings if you want to continue in our 6-week program and really dig deeper into what it means to carb cycle, get partner workouts with a fat loss program, have 30-minute workouts and be in and out for the day and never have to join a gym. All the access to our program will start on September 16th, but we will officially start on Monday, September 18th. And once you register, I will have all the information given to you on what to do before the actual start date. And then Faster Way will also help you get started with any questions that you might have. Don't miss this opportunity. We only open the doors to these sneak peeks, these open houses 2 or 3 times a year. And what a great opportunity to do it now as you go into the fall season, way before the holidays, and get a head start on your wellness, your weight loss journey, or just being able to lose those last 5 pounds that you gained while you are visiting colleges with your daughter. Take this season now and really take advantage of it. You can register using the link below, and I will be available for questions if you answer through this or if you send me questions after you read this email, and I'll be happy to answer them. But I would love for you to join the other women who are also taking advantage of these 5 days and see what we're all about. Again, registration link below.